Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. Hey, Jimmy. Welcome, Jimmy. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. We have good news. The Dow was up today. So the Dow S&P right here, Dow S&P Nasdaq was all up today. Russell was also Russell was down. No surprise by the Russell there. All right, we're going to take a look at big picture just to see what's going on with the indexes. Dow, guys, remember all-time highs. All right, all-time highs. Here we are right here. Here was our buy signal, right? Moving up nicely on the Dow. S&P also breaking all-time highs. New highs today, guys. The market has never been at these highs here. All right, S&P new highs. Show you guys here. All right, buy signal here, broke resistance here. All big candles. Look at these candles, guys. This is on the weekly time frame. So one candle after another, higher lows, making higher lows. Great price action on the S&P. All right, same with the Dow. Same with the Dow here. All right, really good price action. All right, so equities are doing well. NASDAQ, all right, now we're not at all-time highs. Here's the resistance here, right? Here's the all-time high here. This is how close we are with the NASDAQ, all right? So a couple more weeks, right? Perhaps next week, we could break through that resistance if the buying continues. So just great traction, great price action in equities, all right? Russell still holding between support and resistance. All right, but it's a good thing we don't need the Russell to move. We've got the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. All right, so Russell still holding between support and resistance here. Okay, all right. Our US 30 traders, we sent out a buy signal earlier today. All right, so this morning, send out a buy signal on the US 30, which is the Dow, represents the Dow. All right, so we got a buy signal here, right? We know this was challenging here before. All right, very challenging. All right, buy signal here, sold here, all in here, very challenging. Previous buy signal, right, close here, was forced to get out of this trade. Now we've got a buy signal here. Broke resistance, pretty good resistance here. Price is looking so far really good to continue to move higher. So our US 30 traders, right, if you took this trade, just hold on. All right, hold on. On the daily time frame, guys, we've got really good price action. Buy signal here on the daily time frame, moving up nicely, looking to break right here, near-term resistance. All right, near-term resistance on the daily time frame. That should help the 60-minute. All right, so decent trade. We just hope that it holds on that 60 minutes. All right, we don't need to retest support. Remember, previous resistance becomes support. Okay, all right, so that's the US 30. Let's go through current positions. I'm curious to see what the dollar is doing. All right, hold on. All right, so dollar index here, guys. All right, buy signal here on the dollar, a bit of a pullback. You guys know we had a pullback yesterday. All right, but still holding. We got buyers trying to come in. Right, resistance is right here. Now the dollar is at 103. Let's see if it can get to a resistance up here. All right, so but remember, if that dollar goes higher, we'll put pressure on equity markets. All right. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. Current positions, long positions in Monster Scalper. You guys know we were trading the dollar pairs. All right, USD SEK, guys, buy signal was here, pullback, red candle here. Now we're trading below Previous resistance is now support. Red candle, close that trade, please. So USD SEK, close that trade. USD NOK, all right, still holding. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, right? Held support right here, right? We need buyers to come back in. We are making higher lows, right? White candles here, we're making higher lows. We need buyers to come in, right? Green candles continue to move higher, all right? If it gets past this area here, next resistance is up here where sellers came in before, all right? So we'll go ahead and bring in second target. We'll do it right here, all right? This is where sellers came in right here, all right? That's USD NOK. USD HKD, right? Red candle here. So close the trade, please. Buy signal here. Broke support. Red candle, close the trade, please. So USD HKD, close the trade. So clean things up with the dollar pairs. USD CZK. All right, that's holding. Right, buy signal was here. We got in right on this big candle right here. Currently, it's holding, but keep an eye on it. Purpose, support, and resistance, guys. All right, so just hold on. All right, keep an eye on it. Right, no white candles, no red candles, so nothing to do there. USD DKK. All right, a bit of a pullback, buy signal here. So you guys see what the dollar pairs are doing. They're pulling back, holding and pulling back. All right, buy signal here, pull back, right, to your moving average here. All green candles, we need buyers to continue to push higher. All right, nothing to do there. USD SGD. All right, let's bring this down here. All right, buy signal right here on a break of resistance. This is your resistance line right here. This blue arrow, that's your buy signal. White, blue triangle right here. I know it's hard to see. That's your buy signal right here, right here, right? Price is consolidating. So we have neutral candles, white candles. We just need buyers to come in. Some green candles continue to move higher, test resistance here, right? If you can get past this area, next resistance, we'll go ahead and put this here. Next resistance will be all the way up here, all right? So hopefully it's going to get past this area first, though. Okay, guys. All right, USD DKK, USD SGD. All right, that's it here. I'm sorry. USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. All right, dollar Swiss is holding fine. Look at dollar Swiss. All right. Hopefully the others will follow dollar Swiss lead. Buy signal here. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Solomon, welcome. All right, buy signal here, guys, on a break of resistance right here. All right, good price action. Green candles making higher lows. All right, higher lows, higher highs. All right, with dollar Swiss. So good price action there. All right, dollar CAD, USD CAD. All right, buy signal here. Guys, we moved, we had resistance here. We've moved it up. All right, we moved it up here. We've got really good resistance here. This is where sellers really are, right here, right here, right here. We're holding support here. We just need buyers to come back in, all right? If it breaks down further, you get a red candle, close the trade. So buy signal is here, holding. We need buyers to come back in, all right? No real direction in the pairs. We do have decent direction in the index, right? In the dollar index right here. It is holding. Hopefully we get another move like this. That will help the dollar pairs, okay? We have a couple more pairs. The yen pairs, USD, JPY, similar, right? Very similar. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, moving up nicely, right? Got mixed candles, white and green. Just hold on, right? We need to test resistance again and now move higher, all right? Hopefully we get another great trade like this for about 500 pips. That would be great, right? But we need to break out first, all right? Let's see if we have another target. Okay, so if it breaks out here, here's our next target here, all right? So just hold on for right now. No red candles, all right? Consolidating similar to what it did here in the past. HKD JPY also holding, all right? So HKD JPY buy signal here, holding. All right, we need these yen pairs to move higher. All right, all right. A quick look at Forex Dominator. Now, we don't have any shorts in Monster Scalper. We do have one short in Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at the long positions first. All right. So EURTRY right here, guys. Buy signal. Hold on. Buy signal is all the way down here. I know we look at this every evening. All right. Buy signal right here. We did get a wide candle, but look, buyers are coming back in. Look at guys, this today here, big candles, two big candles yesterday and today. Hopefully, right, we're getting ready to break through that resistance right here on EURTRY. Boy, it's been consolidating right here, right? So we could see buyers come in and really get past this area here with some big candles. All right. USDTRY in the family. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, slowly moving, but moving up nicely. Look at EURCZK, guys. Look at EURCZK, right? So it's time to move higher. Now it's breaking out. So good job there, EURCZK. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Bit of a pullback, wide candles here. Hopefully we need some buyers to come in. This area here, we might as well move this down. Here is our resistance here. All right. So if we can get, hold on. If we can get past that resistance, right now I have no idea what's going on with the pound pairs, guys, and the euro pairs. We don't have a rotation in those. So trade each of any yen pairs, euro pairs, just trade them individually. All right. But we need buyers to come in, retest resistance here and break out. We do have a couple of dollar pairs. So USD CZK in Forex Dominator. Buy signal here on a break of resistance, moving up nicely. All right. Got to get past. All right. Well, right now, if we can just get to resistance here, break out. All right. And then next resistance would be up here. All right. If we can get up here, that's about 400 pips. So 400 pips. USD HUF looks also good. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here, slowly moving. Need to get past near-term resistance here, then get to resistance here. All right, this is where we've got sellers. Sellers are sitting here. Remember where sellers are as we move higher. All right, we can get past this area, next resistance, and look, really good markdown phase. But guys, from here to here, right, no barriers. All right, so if we can get past this area, right, good chance we could get back up here for tons of pips. This is on the daily time frame too, so it will take longer. CAD yen still holding, guys, still holding. Here is resistance here, resistance here. We can call this resistance here also, but here we are, right here, right, still consolidating, right? But buyers are holding all green candles, right? Moving higher right along here. Need to break through that resistance. And then that's the only target here. So if we can break through, we might see the price move much, much higher. All right. We have one short. I know I'm going through these quickly, but we've got to go through these because we'll look at equities also this evening. Okay. So we've got to get through these. Market had a big update today, big update on yesterday. So we need to look for new opportunities. Okay. Euro pound. This is the only short we have, guys. Imagine that. Only short in Monster Scalper and Forex. Sell short signal here. You guys remember this one here? We had a big white candle, held on, right? Sellers came back in, and here we are looking to test support here. All right. If this breaks support, right, we could see where price really moves lower. This is a big support area here, again on the daily time frame. All right, so hold on to that. Hopefully, if it breaks, we could see the other euro pairs break down. All right, all right. Let's see what time. Okay, we're on track here. Monster futures. Just a quick look at lean hogs. All right, so lean hogs in monster futures. Let's see what that's doing. So white candle came in today. So a bit of a pullback. All right, just if you're trading it, just keep an eye on it right at support here. Previous resistance is support. So keep an eye on it. Lean hog. Feeder cattle. Feeder cattle moving up nicely, guys. Feeder cattle. Buy signal here, right? Every single candle all the way up, moving up nicely there. All right, all green candles, nothing to do there. All right, S&P E-mini, right? Buy signal all the way. Look at this trade, guys. All right, I know we always want to, trade these smaller time frames, but look at this day trade. I know we want a day trade, but daily time frame here. Buy signal here on the S&P. Look at that up there. Just an amazing trade. Every day keeps moving higher. All right. And then live cattle. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. All right. So trades are still holding. Just that feeder cattle. Just be aware of that trade there. All right. That feeder, hold on. Lean hogs, I'm sorry. Lean hogs, a bit of a pullback there. So keep an eye on that trade. All right. Equities, we know how the Dow is doing. The Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, they're all making new highs. We've seen several stocks make also new highs. All right, so let's go through current positions, equity positions in Stock Boss. All right. Oh, it looks like ZIM closed. Let's take a look at that. All right, remember, guys, stock balls, these are stocks that are under $10, okay? Under $10. So ZIM closed today, all right? ZIM closed today. Let's move this here. So if anyone is in it, close the trade, please. All right, buy signal was here at 9:09, closed today at, what's that, 12 and change 13. All right, so buy signal here, good markdown phase. All right, really good markdown phase. It did reach its targets here, but pull back, right? White candle here, right? It didn't make a bounce today, but guess what? Broke support, sell signal to get out. Okay, so close ZIM. All right, ZIM, close that trade, please. All right, next trade. All right, NKTX, that's holding. Good trade going there, guys. Buy signal was at 189. We've been talking about this one, right? Currently trading at 1016. Looks good. Been making higher lows here. Looks good to break through resistance. We do have a purple support and resistance. All right, so it might be getting overbought. All right, guys. So keep an eye on it if you're trading it. All right. A lot of consolidation in here. So the next, right, the next area here above, have a lot of consolidation. All right. So just know we're getting close to the end. But good. I mean, good profit there. Okay. All right. So NKTX, that's holding. All right, RYAM, that's holding, looking to break through resistance there. Good job. Note, this is Anthony's trade. Good job. A little pullback, moving up nicely. Now, target is right here. So buy signal was right at about 141. Target is at $3 right here. It makes it up there. That's 100%, guys. But eventually, the goal is to get it all the way up here. All right. All right. So far, it's holding. That's note. ACE ET, good markdown phase, guys. Look at that. We need those sellers, right? Remember, we need sellers to push that price lower so that we can buy, right? We buy from sellers, all right? So this one here, buy signal was at 167, closed today at 361. So this is up a point right now, all right? And all the way up here, 18 is the target up here. You guys might get some resistance here. Let's bring this here. We'll bring 2. So we might get some resistance here. This is where price gapped down before. All right. So let's see if we can make it up here first. That's too far up there. And then we'll bring it a second target. Now, with the markets hold, right, if those indexes hold, all right, that should look good. That should be good. Now, you guys know we haven't looked at the VIX went lower. Look at the VIX at 12.83. All right, guys, it was at 13 and change. Not a big difference, but it's moving lower. That's great for the markets. Great for the Dow. Great for the S&P. Great for the Nasdaq. All right. All right. So equity markets. Don't let anyone fool you. The market isn't crashing. Equities are not crashing. Okay. All right. All right. Let's keep going. All right. That's holding. That's holding. We have resistance up here. Buy signal all the way there. This is holding. Consolidating right now, but you see buyers push higher there. All right. UIS, that's holding. A bit of a pullback. This one buy signal was at 384, right around there, trading at 630, 663. So up a point, next target all the way here. Looks good, guys. Looks good to get there, right? Buyers are coming back in, right, after your white candle there. Okay, let's keep going. That's holding. Holding. All right, holding. White candles here, HC, AT, that's holding here, right? Keep an eye on it though. OMER, right? White candles consolidating. We need buyers to come back in. Green candles there. This one is holding. STKL moving up nicely there. Holding. All right. LXRX. All right. Buy signal here. I think our entry was right about in here, moving up nicely to the first target. And let's bring in a second target here. Let's call this a high up here. All right. So sellers are sitting here, and here. All right. So, all right. LXRX. All right. NGM. All right. Good markdown phase, guys. This is where the selling started here. All right. Good markdown phase, buy signal here. All right. Slowly moving higher. Be patient. Let it move higher. Okay. All right. That's holding. All right. Good price action here. Next target buy signal was here, right, at 463, trading at almost $8. All right. So upper point, next target here, right? Looks good. Near-term resistance, breaking it looks good to get here. All right. Look at this gap, right? Good chance it could fill that gap pretty quickly. All right. So buyers will pay attention to this gap here. Okay. And it's getting past this area here, right here, right here, right here, moving higher. All right. So follow that price action, guys. All right. ATAI, white candle here, holding. I would keep an eye on this one if anyone is trading it. All right. It did reach its target. Bit of a pullback. Buy signal here was at 134. It made it to 220. A bit of a pullback. But this is where sellers came in before right here. So I'll do this quickly. So you don't have any red candles or sell signals, right? Your white arrows here. But this is where sellers came in before, right at that 184 here. So here was when we got we got red candles, sell signal. We sell when we get these red candles, right? So right here is where sellers came in, and then here we are right now. So if we don't get a bounce, right? We don't get a bounce. Today's Wednesday, so if we don't get a bounce the rest of the week. Uh, just keep an eye on this, right? You could get sellers to come in. All right. If the market gives a really big day, like this stock should be moving higher, right? It should be moving higher because we've had 2 up days. All right. That's not good when they're weak and the market is moving higher. All right. So that's stock boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. And then we'll look for some opportunities. We'll go through Bullmaster quickly. We're right on time. All right, so you guys know Bullmaster. These are $10, over $10. All right, these stocks are a bit higher. These are large cap stocks, so over $10. Right. FRO. All right, FRO. Nicely done today. This is exactly what we like to see when we get a break on these neutral white candles. All right, so buy signal was here, right? Held support, white candles, got a big candle. All right, so buyers came in today in a big way, guys. Big green candle here. So hopefully we can go ahead and test resistance here again and finally break out. So FRO, that's holding. All right, S, all right, buy signal here at 18, right at around 18, breaking out here. Look at that, guys. Held, finally breaking out. As a matter of fact, it gapped up this morning. All right, and then we've got another target. All right, all the way up here. So buy signal was at 18. All right, 10 points up, trading at 28. And next target all the way up here, if it can make it $42. Okay, so great trade going there with S. Light, LITE, buy signal down here, right? Broke first target, first resistance, testing next resistance here. This is where, right? Not major resistance, but these are highs here. All right, get past this area and it gapped up, right? It gapped up. All right, so next target all the way up here. All right. All right, so good price action. This is holding. All right, moving up nicely. AMD, look at AMD continuing to move higher. TEX breaking resistance there. Good job. Good markdown phase. HUBS breaking resistance. Good job. STNE moving up nicely. All right. CLS, great job, moving up nicely. These are all-time highs on those. DV, right at resistance. Good markdown phase. Here's our selling. We need that selling to happen before we buy. All right. So markdown phase, accumulation. All right. Buy signal, markup phase, all yellow candles. If it break through, might be an opportunity to add. All right. That's DV. All right. That's holding. All right. Holding here. All right, that's good. Good. Look at this one here. And, take examples, guys, of these trades, right? So buy signal here. I know it's frustrating sometimes when we're sitting in these trades, they're not doing anything. All right, pull back here, white candles. Big candle came in to continue that move. Same here, white candle, pull back to that moving average. If you've got some courage, right, you can. I know it's hard to do, right, but you can certainly get in after these white candles. You could add to your position, all right, on these green candles after your white candles, after those neutral candles, okay? All right, like right here. Okay, so ARHS. Silk, that's holding. Holding. Well, doing good. Holding. All right, MKSI looking to break resistance, guys. Buy signal here, right here, right? Looking to break resistance right here. Good markdown phase. And next target, look at that. So sellers, look where sellers came in. Here, here, here. Push the price down, right? These red candles, those are sellers. Here we are right now. We just need a big break. If we can break out, you guys know right? Price breaks resistance. We'll sometime do it in a big way. All right. Next target all the way here. All right. So good price action going there. And we've got, all right, CTLT. All right. Buy signal here. Made it through. First target broke resistance. All right. Hold in here. It did gap up. A bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on it. All right. So it needs to fill that gap. Need to fill that gap here. All right. So good chance though it could get to next target up here. All right. Last one in Bull Master. All right. This one here is holding. Okay. All right. All right. We're good on time. We've had 2 updates in equities. So I want to focus on look for new opportunities in equities. Okay. So we'll look for new stocks first in Stock Boss. And then if we have time, depending on what's going on with Heat Seeker, we'll see what we've got. Okay, so let's go to Stock Boss. So the VIX looks good. VIX is low. The NASDAQ, buy signals on the NASDAQ, buy signal on the S&P, and on the Dow. So let's run Heat Seeker. We'll run it quickly here. So we've got 47. So guys, we've got stocks. We've got some opportunities. 47. All right. So it's picking up again. All right. So we'll go through this quickly here. We're looking for good markdown phase. So we want a really good markdown phase. So we need sellers. All right. We might look for reaccumulation because the market is healthy. All right. So we might look for reaccumulation if we can find them. Okay. All right. As far as the sectors, doesn't really matter, right? Everything is moving right now. So all the sectors are moving. This one here, PRPL, really good markdown phase. Okay, we just don't have a buy signal yet on this one. Okay. All right. That's gone. Nothing here. That's gone. All right. Let's make sure we're not in it. So this is Stock Boss, and this is BTAI. Stock Boss, BTAI. So we're not in it. Let's open it up. All right. So really good markdown phase. This stock fell from about 33, trading at $3.78. So good risk reward. All right. Buy signal right here. Right here, green candles. So we'll add this one here. BTAI. Right? In Stock Boss. All right. Good setup here. Good support too. Support here is at 248. So good risk reward, guys. If it fails, sellers come in. We've got good support, but good potential. Look at that potential. All right. So good support. This is what we want to look for. Good protection. Right? We're not always right, but if it goes against us, guess what? We can take a small loss here. This is a small loss. We get in here, get out about here, right? But really good potential, right? Really good upside. All right. So that's what we want. All right. So BTAI. All right. And I think that is healthcare, biotech. Okay. But again, sectors don't really matter, right? Everything is moving. Okay, that's gone. That's gone. That's gone. All right. This one here, decent markdown phase. We just need buy signals on that one. Oh, look at this one here. Okay, a bit choppy in the markdown phase, but that's fine, guys. Look at this one here. All right. So this one fell from 17. All right. Good selling. All right. Buy signal came in right at 369. Right. Moving up nicely. All green candles. All right. First target would be 614. Then next target all the way up here to 13. So ALLO in Stock Boss. All right. So We're seeing some opportunities come in. All right. All right. Next one. All right. This is gone. Look at that trade. All right. That's gone. All right. Now we've missed the buy signal on this one. But boy, that's a good trade here. $25. So fell from 25, gap down. Look at that gap down, guys. Totally gap down. The buy signal was right here at 70 cents, right? I'm trading now at 217. All right, that's gone. That's too bad. That's too bad. We probably should have looked, at this earlier. All right, that's gone. That's too bad, guys. Great trade going there. There are more opportunities, though. All right. Don't chase them. Don't chase them. Good markdown phase here. We just need a buy signal on this one. No buy signal yet. We're in this one. That's gone. That's gone. Good trade going there. All right. This one fell from what, $5? Decent risk reward. Good support down here. All right, good support at 47 cents. Buy signal came in at 57 cents, but we would have gotten out here. Buyers are coming back in, so we'll look at this one. NKTR. Are we in this one? Are we in NKTX? This is NKTR. So let's add this one. NKTR. All right. Guys, I think we'll just stay with Stock Boss, and then we'll do Bull Master tomorrow, okay? Based on the time here, okay? We have a few more to go through. All right, good price action here. That's gone. It's gone. Hey, they're pushing this market. They're definitely buying. All right, nothing here. We need a buy signal here. Good markdown phase. This is gone. MAPS. Maps. Let's take a look at this one here. Oh, look at this. It's amazing when you open them up, right? So much different. Okay, so this one fell from $8, guys, trading at 93 cents. The only concern is that it's pulling back right now. It's not holding above resistance here. You do have decent protection. All right, so you have support right about, let's bring this down, right about here, which is about 70 cents. Okay, you might get protection here at 80 cents, trading at 93. But look at this, guys. Look at this. All right, all the way up here, $8. It's got to get past to really see it move. It's got to get past about here. Hold on. So it's got to get past sellers. So about right, I would say right here, right, is going to get past. We'll add it. MAPS. That looks like technology. Yeah, that's a technology stock. So let's draw it out. I'll draw this one out. So markdown phase. And we're almost done. Markdown phase here. Markup phase. We just need that buy signal to hold. Here's your markup phase. First target. Let's bring it where the selling started, which is right here. Okay, so if we can get past this area here, let's remove this. All right, so here is your V. All right, so markdown phase, buy signal, green candles. We know buys are coming in. We just need to get past here. All right, if it can get past here, that's a 1 point up about. All right, then nice room, lot of upside potential. Okay, MAPS. All right, almost done. Nothing here. All right. Oh, note. That's note. That's Anthony's trade there. All right. Anthony, I have a feeling note is going to yawn here. Note will move. All right. I have a feeling it's ready to move up. So note is on here. Okay. Let's see here. Nothing here. All right. We just need a buy signal there. Nothing here. Nothing here. JetBlue. Let's see what this is doing here. All right. So fell from JBLU, fell from $16, guys. Trading at, that's transportation. Let's see here. So here's your markdown phase. The first trade in the markup phase was here, and then here we are here. I would say first target, let's draw this out and see, probably here. Previous support becomes resistance, so near here. And I think we can do better. All right, so if you guys look here, a lot of consolidation in here. And look at that target, right? So not a great risk reward. If we pull it out, yes. All right, but we got to get past all of these here. All right. And it's choppy here. We don't have clean price action. So we'll pass on this one here. And surprisingly, we've got really good markdown phase here. What did I do to the candles here? Hold on. All right, I'll have to fix that. And then the last one here, no buy signal here. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it for Stock Boss. Tomorrow we'll take a look at hold on here. Tomorrow we'll take a look at Bullmaster. Okay. Our monster scalper traders. Okay. We'll send out. All right. I'll go through the pairs. We don't have, it's too bad the dollar trade is stalling. So we don't have a rotation. Right? We were hoping that the dollar pairs would develop into a rotation. So look at that. Look at the consolidation in Forex. This happened quickly, guys. Look at that. All right, we only have, these are the only pairs that are moving here. That's it here. All of these here consolidating. This happened quickly here. All right, so not a lot of price action, good price action in Forex. Okay, so just be careful with Forex. Okay, and on the daily time frame, we're consolidating, not tightly consolidate. I mean, I think if it gets up to this area here where we have these many here, let's say this right here, yellow, all right. I think we're probably about 60% consolidating right now, but 60. Yeah, 60, 65%. This is about 50. on the 240. All right. And then we're about 40% consolidating on the 60 minutes. So we've got consolidation throughout. Okay. All right. So nothing is trending. Nothing is trending on any of the time frames. So just be careful. Okay, just be careful. All right, guys, that's all I've got. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And hey, Jimmy, welcome, guys. Welcome, Jimmy. Jimmy is new to us. Just started. He's gonna start his coaching on Friday. So, Jimmy, congratulations. Welcome, welcome to your journey. All right, as a trader. So, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. All right, guys, I will see everyone tomorrow. All right, take care. If you guys need me, just you know how to reach me. Take care. Bye bye.